Hey, this is Matt from InvestQuant. Today is Friday, August 7th, 2020. Today is the non-farm payrolls report day, and we saw the report come out this morning. The markets popped on it initially and then pulled back, giving us a gap down on the open that ended up rallying back to around the prior day's high, the prior day's closing price, where it tested a couple times and has since pulled back. We're now trading below the opening print of the session as we approach the end of the day. So what I want to do is just take a look at that type of price action where we are trading a little bit weak going into the close on non-farm payrolls announcement day. So I'm going to set this up in all four instruments. We're going to use an intraday time-based entry of 3:15 p.m. Eastern Time, and we'll set it up as a long exiting at the close of regular trading hours, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. For the opening filter, I'm just going to put gap down, and then I'm going to say in the post-open filters at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Time, we're trading below the opening print. Then I'm going to go into the market events and say that today is the day of non-farm payrolls report. And lastly, I'm going to put it in a bullish environment like we have been in, where we are above a 10 and 200-day moving average, and click View Results. And here are the results of going long at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Time on the non-farm payrolls report day, when you gap down, and at 3:15 you are trading below the opening print. And this is happening within a bullish environment defined as above a 10 and 200-day moving average. Now, historically, this has happened 16 times in the ES, so it's not a real common pattern. NASDAQ has 19 samples, YM 20, and Russell 19. So none of these have a whole lot of samples. Looking at the win rates on them, they're all hanging a little bit better than 50-50s. So ES is on the stronger end at 69%, NASDAQ 68%, YM 65. Those three are the strongest. Russell just at 58%, so not as strong as the others. But if you were to bunch all of these together, you would see that they have averaged in the 60s as a win rate for closing above that 3:15 p.m. price, assuming that this pattern is true at 3:15 p.m. So historically, this pattern has not happened all that often, so we do have small sample sizes here, but when it has happened, it has leaned a little bit more towards the bullish side as we approach the close. So hopefully you found that interesting. Good luck the rest of the day, and we will see you next week.